What the F is up, you guys? Alright, so check it out. Just wanted to go over this video. Larry Fink has now flipped. This just in. Larry Fink has just flipped. BlackRock. Larry Fink just flipped. Larry Fink has flipped. That's a fucking tongue twister. We're gonna watch this video. I'm gonna let you guys know, give you some insight. I'll basically like translate for you guys what he's talking about. So let's get into it. Let's watch the video.
To Gary Gensler, the chair of the SEC, who made that decision reluctantly, maybe even begrudgingly, which was announced just 2 days ago, and we talked a lot about yesterday on the broadcast. How big a deal is that for BlackRock? And this was for you a big switch as well, because you were a naysayer for a very, very long time.
Yeah, I probably switched for the first 3 years of
he switched. You heard that?
Naysayer, and about 2 years ago, I switched, and I
fucking flipped, bro.
In the last 2 years, I'm a big believer.
Are you a believer personally? Meaning, is the Fink family a Bitcoin buyer or a buyer of this new ETF?
Well, now I could do that. I cannot, I don't want to compete with our clients, so I don't buy single assets. I'll buy mutual funds. I'll buy single ETFs. So I have an opportunity to do that.
Basically, what he's saying is, yes, he's a fucking believer, but he doesn't want to go against his clients. He doesn't want to rub his clients the wrong way, because he's making all the money off of them. So basically he's saying, oh yeah, I'm not actually buying it, but I'm buying it for my clients, which he's buying some for himself too.
Oh yeah. But I'm a believer in it because I do believe it is an alternative source for wealth holding. I don't believe it's ever going to be a currency. I believe it's an asset class.
You don't believe it ever becomes a currency?
No, I think we're going to create digital currencies. We're going to use the technology for it. We're going to use the blockchain.
How important is that, though, to then the long-term value proposition
of Bitcoin?
Of Bitcoin. If it's not something that ultimately becomes a currency, if it's simply, we'll call it digital gold, it's an asset of some sort, what does that mean?
It means...
Look at that. He had to change the wording for him. He said, we'll just call it digital gold then. Okay. Because look, he's getting his fucking feathers ruffed.
I believe, I believe it goes up if the world is more frightened, if people have fearful of geopolitical risk, they're fearful of their own risk. It's no different than what gold represented over thousands.
Bro. He thinks normal people, so the people that are going to jump in to crypto, Bitcoin, towards the end of the bull market, like they always do, he thinks those people really are going to be fearful for their wealth, their money not working for them. No, they don't give a shit. They're just trying to get rich quick. But us, on the other hand, us and everybody who follows, we're ahead of the curve. So we're not worried about all that. Anyways, we'll let this guy talk.
It is a asset class that protects you. Right. And unlike gold, where we manufacture new gold, we're almost at the ceiling of the amount of Bitcoin that we created.
When you hear somebody like Kathy Wood,
yes,
who was on our broadcast yesterday, say that her base case is that this turns into a $600,000 a Bitcoin valuation, base case, and a million plus in a super optimistic case. Are you anywhere in her realm?
I haven't thought about it. To me, that what we are trying to
he hasn't thought about it. Yeah, right.
That can store wealth. I think if he gets that even.
All right, bro. I'm gonna just stop it right here. You guys get the gif. He's lying through his fucking teeth, but he believes in it. He switched. Look at this guy, man. He's a old head that knows about money. He's an old head that knows about money. Look at that face, man. That's like, that guy just struck gold. That's the face of I just struck gold. So if he's making that face and you're watching this video, you should be making the face too. I'm gonna leave it right there. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Just want to give you guys a little update, just in case for the naysayers, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, like, follow, share, subscribe for more, whatever. Catch you guys on the next one.